So my EQ for today is how do I translate a figure? So this wants me to reflect triangle EFG over the line y equals 2. Where does the line y equals 2 go? Is it straight across or is it straight up and down? Okay. I have too many things on my desk. Okay, so this is my line y equals 2. Then to reflect across it, what do I do? Thank you. How do I reflect this? So how many away is, let's start with E. How many away is E? 1, so I'm going to do what? Go 1 down. How many away is F? So I go 1 down. How many away is G? 3, so I go 3 down. Guys, be quiet. Questions on my first reflection? Okay, so then now I'm reflecting over the line y equals -1. Guys, put away your phones. Okay, so how many away is E? 2. So this is going to be E double prime. How many away is F? 2. How many away is G? It's auto line, so it's also G double prime. So then I'm going to go connect my points. Okay, so what do we notice about the original image, this one, compared to the red one? It's the same, it's just moved down. Fine. Okay, can I move on? Okay, this one wants me to reflect the quadrilateral over x equals -1. What does that line look like? Straight up and down. Okay, I missed that point. Okay, so where does n go? Stays on the line. How far away is L? 3. Okay, how far away is O? Mm-hmm. M is, okay, so I want to connect these so it looks like the same shape. So I remember to connect the letters in the same order. Okay, then I'm going to go graph my line x equals 2. Where does that go? Up and down. Okay, so then where does L go? Stays on the line. How many away is N? N? 3. What? Okay. How many away is O? And how many away is M? 1. Okay, so then I want to go connect my points. Pretend like I can connect lines. What do we notice about the shape and the original shape and the red one I drew? No, we're ignoring the blue one in the middle. They're the same, just move over. So what's another way I can describe what I did? If I ignore the blue step, how can I describe red to blue, black to red? Translation. Dilation is different. We're not going to talk about it again until we get to triangles, because it changes the size. So. Okay. Okay, can I move on to the back? Okay. You don't have to give me an angry no. Mm-hmm. Okay, can I move on now? Now? Okay, so if I look at the back, I want to describe the translations, and I want to write the change in x and y. So let's pick a point, any of the 6 letters. I'm going to pick A. So I'm going from this A to this A. How many am I going up? 4. How many am I going over? 4. Wait. I'm going up 4 squares, but am I counting by 4s on this picture? No, I'm counting by 2s. So it's 8. 8, because they're counting by 2s. 4 to 6. Okay, so remember, x is the ones that go left and right. So that added 8. And then y is up and down. That also added 8. Okay, can I move on to the second one? Okay. Okay, so if I go to the second one, I'm going from here to here. How many am I going up? $12. How many am I going over? 0. So my y is plus 12, my x is plus 0. Can I move on to the third one? Okay. Can I move on to the third one now? Okay. So from here to here, how's it changing? So that's adding 5 to the x. How many is it going up? 0. Okay, on the fourth one, how many am I going down? Right? These are tiny letters. I can't even... Oh, my bad. This one goes the other way. What? 8? Yeah, because it was going... I couldn't read the little tiny letters. And then 5 across. So my x is adding 5, and my y is subtracting 8. Also, this one was wrong too. This one was going down 12. Okay, questions on those? So what we can do is we can write something called vector notation, which is, it tells me if I start off with a coordinate pair x, y, and I end up with a pair x plus a number, y plus a number, that's how I'm changing it. So if I go back over here, if I look at number 1, I have x, y, the point I start off with, and then it's going to be translated to, how did x change? How did y change? So I'm going to go and do those for the other 3. So over here, I started off with x, y, a point, and then I translated it. How did the x's change? Zero. Do I have to write 0? No. How did the y's change? They went down 12. Okay. How did this one change? So minus 5. And then my y, did it change? No. Okay, what about the last one. Okay. So are there any questions here on translations?